hear you, darling. I see you, baby. Hi. Are you hungry? Did you come to say hi or are you hungry? You want some food? Yeah? Hi, darling. I've missed you. You doing okay? Hey, baby. Hey, baby boy. There you go. You feeling okay? I put water down there. Get some water. It's really hot. You want some more? One more food. One more food. No more. What are you doing? Where'd my baby go? You don't want food. No food? Hi. Can I see you? Hi. I love your face. I do. I love your face. Yes, I do. Hi. You want food now? Want food? Want food? Yeah. Good job. My boy. My soot. Hi. Hello, baby. You want more? You want more? No? You want more? Good job. What a good boy. You're a good boy. Hello, pretty baby. Hello, pretty one. I have missed you. I have missed you. You okay? Yeah. You want more bread? Do you want more bread? It's safe. Come on. You want it? No. No. You wait. Where'd you go? Where's my soot? Where are you? I don't see you. Where's soot? Where's my soot? Hello. Hi. My pretty boy. Yeah. Hello, pretty boy. You're my sweet boy. Yeah. Hello. Hello, you want bread? I'm sorry, that's all I got, baby. Mine's been so broke. It's just bread. You don't have to take it. No want it. Okay, I got the message. Stop shoving food at me, lady. Yeah. Uh-oh, don't poop on me. You gonna poop on me? Hi, darling. What's doing? Yeah, I got a hole up there. Should I put your food in there? I don't think my door opens that way. I'm not gonna do that. What? Hi. Hello. Hello. My pretty boy. Pretty boy. Where's it? Hi. I got a butt. Hi, Soot. Hello, Soot. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Hi. You want to make this now? Before you go? You want this? Yes, I would here. No. Still do. Okay. Alright. I'm sorry. This is all I got. That's all. I got peanut butter. I don't got nothing else. I don't got nothing else, baby boy. You don't. Don't get scared of my phone, okay? Don't get scared of the phone. Okay, I don't know what I'm looking at, but I hope you're looking at a crow. Hi, darling. Hey, old baby. You're my sweet boy. You're my sweet boy. Yeah. See, you're getting the bread. You give me mixed signals there, kiddo. You give me mixed signals there, kiddo. How's that pretty baby? How's that pretty boy? I miss you so much. I did. I miss you so much. Yeah. Now you got a mouthful of bread. No more, okay? You said no more. No more bread. I love seeing you today. Oh, yeah. You got babies? You got babies. You got babies? You got babies now? Yeah? No? No? Where the babies? Are they with Mama? I'm wondering if you have babies. Yeah. He's still up there. He's still up there. He's sitting right in front of the steering wheel. I'm going to lift the phone up again. I hope he does go. I'm going to lift the phone up, okay? I'm going to lift the phone up. I got my phone, okay? See, I showed it to him. I hope you're looking at him. That is Soot. Right, baby? He announces himself by hopping 3 times on my roof. And he just likes to come down and hang out with me. And he trusts me implicitly. He trapped himself inside my car one day. And I didn't panic. I have it on one of my videos, I think. Hi. What you doing? Hi, darling. Hi, darling. Yeah. What's up? What's up? I wish I had something to give you. I wish I had a gift for you. I know. How about this? How about this? I'm going to cut a piece of this. Stay there. Wait a minute. Hang on. My scissors suck. I'm going to give you something. I'm going to see if you take it as a gift. It's not much of a gift. Hang on, baby. He's still up on my roof. Okay. I'm going to show the shiny. Soot, you want? You see? You want? It's not food. It's shiny. Look at that. Soot, you want? It's not much of a gift, baby. It was off the top of my head. It's shiny, see? It's pretty. You what? You what? No interest? Okay. No interest. I don't blame you. No interest. I got nothing to give you. That would actually be considered. I do. Hey, Soot. Soot. Yeah, oh, it's got my hair all over it. No, can't do that. That would mess him up. That's not a good idea. It's too big. I got no gift, baby. Mama got no gift. Bye. I love you. Pretty boy. He's sitting on the railing right over there at Walmart. That's still Soot. So he hasn't gone far. I just got bored on top of the car.